Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the Cubot C3. This is a smartwatch, which is actually has a heart rate monitor, 30-day standby time. It's listed at $30, $31.99, marked down from $79.98, and then you get a 60% off based on there. You can choose from black or silver. You get $2 off with the code on here. This thing looks pretty cool. It does have waterproofing, so you could swim with it. You get 10 different sports modes. I'm kind of interested to see what this is like. You also get the call notifications and text notifications, 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing in a little bit more detail. I'm kind of interested to see what this is all about right here. Okay, cool. So a little bit of tape on the edges. Go ahead, take that off. Alright, so this is a really cool box. You can see right here. This is the box that it comes in, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. You can see on the back of it, it does say Cubot on the back of here. It does say scan here to download. So yeah, let's go ahead get a QR scan going on here. We're gonna use this device to actually see if I can get to the app real quick. So we do have the C3 model. It's actually a gray color right here. Let's go ahead, open this up. Now when you go into, it's the camera that we want to go into right here to get the QR code. So I'm gonna go ahead, hit this button. Hold on. Here it is. All right, we got the code right there. So we're gonna go ahead and download the app. All right, nice texture to the box. Wow. All right, cool. So you get extra strap. This one is like a leather. This is actually like feels like a rubber material, like kind of like the one I'm wearing right now, but it has some texture to it, and it's like a charcoal gray black color, and you get some stitching in there. So I think I really like that little touch of stitching on there. Really cool. Let's put this right here. A proprietary cable right here. So if you lose that, you definitely will be not good right there, because if you lose that, that's the only way to charge this device is with this cable. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside, guys. Let's put this off to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look at this in a little bit more detail. I have a charging box right here. Actually, let's use this one because it has a little bit more juice. So let's go ahead. And there's actually no instructions that come with this, which is surprising. Oh wait, here it is. It's right on the bottom. And right here it says scan to get to the app. So the app should be downloaded by now. Here it is, H-band. And when you open this up, you can see that you have to put the charging port on the back of it. There's a power key and a function key, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory once you can turn it on. So let's go ahead and look at this right here. You got the sticker on the front. Let's take that off. And the overall build quality looks really solid. This This one almost has the same exact grill of the one that I'm wearing. This is the Tinwoo watch. They both look really good. So this is the Cubot one. I'm gonna actually put the Cubot one on my wrist in just a second. So let me just take this one off. But you could see, let me grab this one off. This one is just really comfortable to wear. So the Cubot one looks just as good, maybe even better. Let's go ahead, hit the power button. Okay, so now we get the choice of English. Let's hit this button right here. Now it says that you need to scan the code on the mobile phone and download the H-band and connect the watch. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, guys. I have the H-band, I think, is downloaded. Here we go, we got open. So it says that it's running. You can swipe up, and now you have to use the code on here. So it tells me that I have to sign up or create a password. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, cool. So it says right here, enter the skin color setting. In order for the bracelet to better monitor your health, choose your skin tone. Wow, that's crazy. I've never seen that before. I'm probably this one. Which am I, this one or this one? That's crazy. Let me go to this one. All right, so it lets you choose between the metric or the imperial system. You can just state a metric. My height is in centimeters. Wait, let's go back. All right, so now it's in pounds and weight. Okay, so now it's asking me how many steps do I want to do per day. Wow, they give you a lot of steps here. Let's do 10. And sleep we'll keep it at 8. That's the goal. And then you can click continue, allow. All right, cool. Scanning equipment. So now it's gonna scan for the C3 right here. Here it is at the top. All right, so now you just activate that, allow it for notifications, and then you can confirm which ones you want it to, you know what I'm saying, allow for notifications and everything of that nature. And then can click continue. And then, so this is what the app looks like. It gives you the battery percentage on the app as well. You can click more. There's a heart measure option. On that more option, you get settings. You got alarm, heart rate, low power mode. You could turn that on. Screen seconds you can keep at 5, or you can customize it. It's recommended that you keep it on 5 seconds. So I'll keep it there. Screen on time, setting, wear detection, HR, automatic monitoring, and disconnect alert. Take a photo, update firmware. This is the latest version. So let me show you the options on the watch now, guys. So on the watch itself, what you're getting here is, let me go ahead, swipe to the right. You can see we have steps here. That looks really cool. Swipe again, you get your sleep here. Swipe again, you get your heart rate, and then you get the watches again. Let me go back, hold this, and you get your dials, so you can change between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different dials. Let's click this one, that looks cool. And then you have to long press it. Let's click that one. That looks really good too. Let's hit this option. Now we get sport, steps, and sleep, heart rate, notifications, alarm, stopwatch, countdown, music, find phone, female, photography, and settings. We can change the brightness. We have an auto lock feature here. When you swipe up, you get to your messages. When you swipe down, you get to your vibration, alarms. You could change the brightness when you swipe down. There's an option here which will, this device will not vibrate. It's like a do not disturb option, and info. When you swipe left, then you can get your heart rate and everything like that. Messages when you swipe up. Cool. So that's pretty much the interface of this watch, guys. I'm gonna do a follow-up video, but this thing looks like it's gonna be pretty cool because they were saying that it has 30 days standby time on here, which is pretty crazy. So let me actually try the watch on right now. So you get your call notifications on here, 10 different sports modes. It says right here, full touch, 15 days of battery when you use the modes on here. This feels really comfortable on my wrist right now. I really like the fit of this. And you get the gray band, and I got another band here as well, like another one with the stitching on it, so I could remove that. You can see right there. Let me see if I get the auto rotate. You probably have to turn that on in the settings option. So when you hit this button, that's where you get the settings, and you can change, let's see, the brightness here. Auto lock, switch. Dial settings, message settings. So you can see, guys, this thing has a lot of features on it. Clear data, message settings. I don't think it has the flip to wake, but I could be mistaken. Let me see. We'll try that one more time. All right, but yeah, this thing does feel really solid right here. Auto brightness, auto lock. Doesn't got the flip to wake, guys. But I'll mess around with this thing for a little bit more, but let me know what you guys think down below. This is the Cubot C3. You could wear it underwater, which is pretty cool, in the shower. 2 different bands to choose from, 15 days, 10 different sports modes, 2 different straps on here, but I'll check you guys later. I'll get right back with you. Let me know what you think about the Cubot X C3 right here. Later, crew. I'll get right back with you. Peace.